Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about Power BI and its component as well as the Power Platform and how it can be incorporated with Power BI. In this video, we'll be talking about business analysis with Power BI. But before we start, you know what to do. Like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do so and turn on your notification to be the first to know when I drop a new video. In today's data-driven environment, Microsoft Power BI gives businesses a competitive advantage in analyzing the tons of data they generate. You would be surprised that organizations or businesses all over the world collect more data than you and I could ever imagine, and yet they do nothing with it. And the ones that try to do something with their data don't even know how to share the analysis for real or near real-time decision making. This is where Power BI comes in, a powerful set of tools that lets you analyze data and create visualizations that you can edit, manipulate, publish, and share with your business stakeholders. The people with the technical knowledge of how to use Power BI to transform, analyze, and share the analysis of visualizations are known by different names, and I believe you are taking this course to be one of these people. They are data analyst, business technical analyst, business intelligence developer, and sometimes more niche down titles like healthcare data analyst, financial data analyst, transportation data analyst, retail data analyst, product analyst, performance analyst, information analyst, and many more. Also, you can come across titles like Power BI developer or visualization developer. So if you are already any of these titles mentioned earlier, having the knowledge of Power BI will help you grow in your career. So coming here is the right decision you have made. If you are aspiring to be any of the above titles, you are also on the right track. This course will help you gain technical knowledge to transform, analyze, and share data. So in the next video, I will tell you what you need to get the best out of this course. So don't forget to like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. So do so now, and I will see you in the next video.